Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Sullivan. Sorry, I'm picking my pen size here and my pen color. Okay, today is the first day of daily language, and what's going to happen is I'm going to show you the corrections you need to make on your Google Slides activity that's attached on the Google Classroom assignment. When you do this on the activity, you're going to actually rewrite these first two sentences with all the corrections in them. I'm not going to do that. I don't have all that time to do that. I'm going to show you what corrections to make, but you're ultimately going to do them yourselves. Number 1 says, on Saturday, Grandma Avery will going sailing on the ocean. Well, that doesn't even make sense. There's so many things wrong. First of all, the first word of each sentence should be capitalized. So when I draw 3 lines under a letter, that means to capitalize it. So when you rewrite the sentence, you will write the word on, but you'll use a capital O. Same with Saturday. Saturday is a proper noun. It's a day of the week. You always capitalize those. Grandma Avery, that is her name, so that is also a proper noun. You want to capitalize the G in grandma and the A in Avery. On Saturday, Grandma Avery will going sailing on the ocean. Well, that doesn't make sense. You could correct this one of two ways. You could say Grandma Avery will be going sailing on the ocean, or you could say she will go sailing on the ocean. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say we're going to change going to go. On Saturday, Grandma Avery will go sailing on the ocean. There's one more. When you heard me read this sentence out loud, I said, on Saturday, Grandma Avery will go sailing on the ocean. Did you hear that little pause after Saturday? I didn't say, on Saturday, Grandma Avery. Nope, I said, on Saturday, comma, Grandma Avery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little thing in here. It's called a caret. You will not put that in there. This is just for when you're correcting writing. You're actually going to put the comma. This caret means, hey, something goes here, and it's that comma. And those are all the corrections for sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. I read a interesting article about kayaking in the magazine Sea Explorer. Okay, well, there's some good stuff in here, but first of all, I read a interesting article is incorrect. If the word starts with a vowel, you have to use the word an in front of it. I read an interesting article. That is not how you spell article. A-R-T-I-C-L-E. I read an interesting article about kayaking in the magazine Sea Explorer. The names of books and magazines need to be underlined. That's just the rule. And those are all the corrections for sentence number 2. Number 3, you're going to write the missing word. During the last decade, windsurfing has gotten, or gotted more popular. Well, those aren't even words. So you have to figure out which one would make more sense. I hope you realized it's this one. So you would write that word in the blank. And then the last one, number 4, I want you to write a sentence about swimming being the most popular water sport. You can add words, make it more interesting, make it an actual sentence that has like a capital letter at the beginning and appropriate punctuation at the end. So those are all the corrections. Go to the Google Slides activity, make all the corrections, and don't forget to turn it in. See you guys.